Back at it again. New Year's Eve. Sky look weird, but can't waste the day same way. We how Kabota make this thing here. The main bearings them in this bearing case, yeah. So you have to draw out the crankshaft sideways. So in order for the crankshaft come out, the piston them have to come out because the connecting rod them blocky. So now you want to take off your head, but that have to go on. Actually look decent. Very unique design. Alright. See that? Money that you know. Anyway, I make sure say I mark all of them, I number them, and I put an arrow to show the flywheel side because them thing I need to go back in the direction where them come out. I don't know why the bearings them have them gouge in them. I never really see them thing here before. If somebody can explain what that to me, I would appreciate that. Yo, me I don't know machinist by profession, but look like a crankshaft alright, you know. The outside of the journal them wear a little bit, but nah kill nobody. Yeah man, you see everything will go on man.
Make up too much money.
Said 69 to 72. Give me a pen. Alright, to get later now. Can't say me yesterday. Morning now. Throw in the engine oil. Check if me have no oil leak. Put in back the fuel pump. Bleed out the fuel system. Spin the engine 2 times and see if oil come up. And then we slide in and crank it and see what I go on. Yep.